Hello everybody. In manufacturing, profits are not made only by selling more. They are primarily protected by your buying right. Yet many manufacturers struggle with no real-time inventory raw material visibility, vendor follow-ups through phone, emails and WhatsApp, and there could be manual purchase bills and payment tracking which can make this cumbersome. These are the basic struggles for any manufacturing company. In this particular video, I am going to show how a good and efficient procurement management system can help manufacturers track inventory in real time, manage their vendors efficiently, and also automate billing and payments. Now let's quickly understand what exactly is the problem. When your procurement is manual and not done through an efficient enterprise resource planning system, you have a tendency to overbuy the materials as you have no visibility over your stock. Essentially, it means that your capital and investment gets blocked. The vendor prices which are not recorded and managed remain inconsistent. And also your finance team struggles to track dues. Overdue payments are there and sometimes there could be penalty as well. A good procurement management system is going to bring structure and control to these processes. Let's now move ahead to the system and see how this can be done. In Odoo's ERP management system, you have complete visibility of the product. For any specific product, you would be able to see its current stock through this window. Here I can see what is the current stock in hand, what is the time to replenishment, and what is the current value of stock in hand. It also tells me what is the current pricing of this product based on either average costing or FIFO costing method system. It also tells me or allows to clearly define the invoicing policy and inventory tracking method of a particular product. Here, the procurement team has a complete visibility, what is currently available, what is reserved, and what needs to be ordered at this point of time. This will avoid panic buying and production stoppages. Now let's see how vendors are managed. In vendor management system, for any specific vendor, you can trace the history of the specific vendor. For this example, in this vendor, you can see his contact details. You can see his purchase history. And you will also be able to see all the products that this particular vendor is supplying. For example, bleach, sand, absorbent bricks. The system allows us or captures for every vendor all the possible approved products, its delivery performance. For example, in this vendor, it is 100% on-time rate. And also, you will also be able to see lots and serial numbers supplied by this vendor. If the price lists are maintained for every vendor, you will be able to see the products being supplied. You can also trace the history of the pricing. You can see the discounts and the validity being offered by the vendor. You also can track in how many days the vendor is likely to deliver a specific product. When I create a purchase order for this particular vendor, and choose a product which has been ordered before, I will be able to fetch the prices of this product automatically. I also have the option to define a specific lead time. The system will automatically choose the buyer details, the fiscal position based on the choice or the location of my vendor. The currency agreement also allows me to choose a specific currency for purchase, and my expected arrival automatically comes based on the on-time delivery rate. So system is clearly able to give me insights into when a particular product is going to be maintained. This ensures on-time delivery and forecast, and also pricing and consistency is forced automatically into the system. Now once this order is confirmed and we go ahead and do the receiving through the inventory module, I have visibility on this when this product was supposed to be delivered. I can also see when this particular item is supposed to be delivered based on the specific contacts that I can see. I do have different receipts available here. For example, PO number 13, 29th January, 9:11 p.m. I can see the product that is supposed to be delivered. And once I validate the same, the system automatically generates the challan. The impact of this product receipt will be automatically fed into my stocks, and most importantly will also reflect at the production department with respect to stock management. If I look at this product now, you can see that the quantity has real time updated to 151 quantities for the specific warehouse, and you can also trace this history depending on the value on hand, which has multiplied based on the average cost price chosen in this case. So no manual stock entry is required and real-time stock visibility is available. For this particular product, in my original PO, once the product has been received, I can upload the bill, and based on this bill in the finance module, the bill will be registered along with the attachments. Any additional attachments can also be added here, and once it is verified by the finance team, this bill can be posted in my books. Essentially meaning, the moment the goods are received, not only the stock is updated, not only the production knows that the stock is available for usage, also we are ensuring that bills are directly matched with the quantity being received. So no quantity mismatch, no pricing errors, and no duplicate entries. In fact, you saw that was no manual intervention. Finally, finance teams through this will be able to see what are the payments which are due. So if I go to accounting module and I look at my vendor bills, I will be able to filter those bills which have not been paid till date, and I can also filter by due date for respective vendors. The due dates are visible, the outstanding payments are visible, and if I want to filter this by vendor, then I would be able to do so as well. This will allow us to do an efficient cash flow management, and also more importantly, this will be always accurate. Now for management, this procurement management system's full visibility right from the time you manage your products and vendors, purchases, receipts and accounting. You will be able to see all these reports in purchase reporting. You will be able to see stock level reporting in inventory, and in accounting you will be able to see them through partner ledgers or aged payables and receivables. The specific bill related report will be available through invoice analysis when I specifically look for vendors here. Finally, the dashboard allows me to provide detailed information on my purchase and vendor metrics, specifically what is my purchased value over a specific period, number of orders, what are my supplier service levels, on-time deliveries by the vendor, top vendors by amount, and so on. Similarly, under invoicing and accounting benchmark, I will be able to see what are my payables at this point of time, and the summarized reports also provides me all the due dates or for the amount for a particular year at any point of time. In conclusion, the manufacturing success depends on the controlled procurement. With a proper procurement management system, inventory, vendors, and all the payments and the cash flow can be managed very efficiently. If you would like to have a custom demonstration tailored to your company or industry, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.